place from the outside, it looked destined to fall apart. You had 8 years on me and I was fresh off a broken heart. Somewhere under neon lights I came to looking down.
Most people in writing sessions will bring their laptops, but I have to have pen and paper and I have to write it like 10 times. There's something about pen to paper that makes the process that much more real and special. I went to Reba McEntire at the county fair and I was 5 years old and it was wonderful. First song I ever wrote was called Falling, and that's such a cliche title looking back. There's something about being sad, you feel more expressive and the need to feel vindicated or get something out there. I do write when I'm happy, it's just not as intently and aggressively. I play guitar, so I'll usually write a little bit without guitar at first and kind of just get the melody in my head, and then I'll put guitar to it. Pen to paper. I usually get an idea in my car or in the shower and I have to stop and make a voice memo out of it. But when I go home to actually work on the song, I will just write outlines over and over again and see if they look good, see if they're Pinterest quote-worthy lines. When I play it live, I like playing songs live. It's a good way to test it out and see if people dig it or not. Inspiration for songwriting definitely comes from real life. It helps me just kind of understand what I'm going through, what I'm thinking, what I'm feeling, and so yeah, my songwriting is definitely biographical. I write on my own every day in my car in a voice memo. And I love collaborating. I love writing with other people. It's just anytime you can get more brains on one song, it's just the possibilities are endless. And I found such a really cool community here in Southern California. There's so many artists, there's so many independent artists. I play 4-hour shows, so I play a lot of cover songs in those shows. And I always will put my originals in too, so I'm always shocked when somebody didn't think it was an original, because they thought it was they always say, oh, I thought that was good enough to be a cover song, which is a weird way of complimenting me. But I love when people are like, where can I get that? And I'm usually it's not recorded yet. So yeah, I love when people connect to it and are excited about it. For other songwriters and singers, I would say DIY. There is so much you can do on your own, and it happens to me all the time where I get frustrated with, I can't do this or I can't do that, and I think I have to wait on people or wait for someone to walk into a room and sign me to a record label, but that's just not the case. We have social media, we have the internet, you can go out and play a show in front of real live people. So while other people in your career are super helpful and they can make a huge difference, there's so much to be done in the meantime on your own. You can find me on all the platforms. Everything is at Lauren Black Music, and my website is laurenblackmusic.com. And please follow me, tag me, chat me up, we can talk, it'll be fun.